and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get these super pretty voluminous curls that are perfect for summer and springtime. So if you guys would like to see, be sure to stay tuned. Hair featured in this video that I have on my head right now is hair from Beauty Forever Hair Company. I've already done an initial review on this hair, and then I'm going to be doing a final review because I have be sure to check out my initial review and the final review for this hair if you guys are interested, and you can hear what I have to say. So first thing I'm going to do is just kind of brush out this unit. So this wig is actually not glued down right now. It's literally just sitting on my head. But because I know I'm gonna be manipulating my hair a bit, I don't wanna glue the wig down just yet, because I don't wanna cause any sliding or anything like that. So what you wanna do first is split your hair down the middle. And then you're going to wanna take just like a good section of hair. So I like to start with the bottom piece first, and I'm gonna take a good section, like a good healthy section, I feel like. And now that this is all heated up, I'm gonna take this is not even a wand, this is an actual curling iron, but I use it as a wand. I don't like when wands get smaller at the tip. I don't know why, but that genuinely bothers me. And it's not even like it bothers me how the curl turns out. It just bothers me looking at it. So I literally buy curling irons and use them as wands because I hate when the curling iron gets skinnier. So you're just leave that on your hair for a couple seconds. I typically put my fingers on the hair and then like wait until it's like hot to touch a little bit. So you're gonna take it out. And then what you're going to do, or what I like to do for these bigger sections, is just kind of boing it up. It doesn't have to be perfect because these are gonna just be like waves. You're going to take just one of the banana clips and just clip it together. And I like to do that especially with weave because weave I find doesn't hold a curl as great. So you can kind of go towards the end since this is a really long hair. I'm just kind of going towards the end of the hair instead of the whole piece of hair. Too hot. I don't wait for it to literally burn my fingers because that means the hair is way too hot. What I do is I just like wait till like my hair gets warmer on the other side. Also, if you're taking smaller sections, I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing that because you're definitely gonna burn yourself. But with the sections that I'm taking, I can kind of do it. So you're just gonna continue that process, going around, taking healthy sections and wrapping it up. I will be back when I get towards the front of my hair, just so you guys can see how I do the top. So what I'm gonna do is actually take the same product that I am using to hold my wig down to also spray these little pieces, and that's just gonna hold them like a hairspray a little bit. Okay, so I am back after completing both sides of my hair. I only have the top section left. On this side, I just chose not to pin up the top section just because I like the top section. I don't know. I don't want to pin it up. because I'm gonna, and I don't want to spray any product on it because those are the pieces that I tend to redo. Also the pieces on the bottom tend to fall the most just because they're constantly being flipped and everything like that. So that's why I decided to do it like that. So when you get to the top section, you're gonna want to curl it just like you were doing before. Just pay extra attention that you're going closer to the root so you can get a little bit more volume. There is a piece underneath here that I'm gonna just do by itself, and I still have like 10 gigabytes left. So I mean, is that, yeah, 10 gigabytes left. Like, that's a lot. I'm not full. So all right, like so. Wow. Okay, so now I am going to remove the hair clips from my hair. I don't do these in any particular order. I just get them out as fast as I can, to be honest. I'm trying not to blink a lot because of the glossy lid look that I'm trying to preserve, but it's a little hard. Did I get them all out? All right, I did. So this is what it's gonna look like initially. Oh, I missed a couple. This is what it's gonna look like initially, but I'm gonna show you how. No, I think they're all out. All right, so this is what it's looking like initially, but trust me, we are about to have the most gorgeous, gorgeous waves ever. Sometimes I also, with a wig unit, I'll do the hair on the wig stand. All right, so this is going to be the finished product before you brush it out. And I like to shake it a little bit first, and then brush it. So okie dokie. So what I'm gonna do is literally just brush out the curls. Just like so. Oh my god, that looks super pretty. All right, so now it's time for me to go in and lay my wig down, so I'll be back when I'm done doing that. Okay, so after you remove your pins, all you're gonna do is take a paddle brush and brush out your hair, and then I like to shake my hair. Now I've shaken my hair a lot, trying to get it exactly how I like it in certain parts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to follow me on my other social media networks as well to help keep up with me.